Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
U MLA Jong South Shillong constituency uba Sanbor Shulai uba Longru u MLA Jong Bharatiya Janata Party hak Southerik Urisau arjar khat khandai ula Pynphai nia kelai u menteri ke sarkar jilla uba Hamlet Sandoling baga jilla Meghalaya kamdai setia ka Nongkynti Jong BJP bat kamdai ru ka Nongkynti Jong People's Democratic Front. Kani ke jingkan thok jong uni u MLA jong South Shillong constituency kalawan hadian ba uba Hamlet Sandoling uba Longru u menteri ke Kampung Roysor jong sarkar jilla bat uba Long u MLA jong People's Democratic Front naga Melem constituency haga laiterik urisau arjar khat khandai ula ong ba ke jilla Meghalaya kamdai ka Nongkynti jong BJP hadian ba uba Sanbor Shulai dangshen ula kam ba ke sarkar pedeng kanom menjur ban pelat yaki skim sya ke jilla tat hadian bala syong bisyar daga BJP na jilla Meghalaya. Hagajo kapor uba Sanbor ula kentu ya ki menteri jong ke sarkar jilla bagi dai ban pentrekam hok ya baro ki skim ki bala mangkerpang da ke sarkar pedeng sya ke jilla Meghalaya na ke benta ke roy kapar.
Hakabaya dehi ya ka government la da iba Hamlet istumu ya ka habade ya ka jing thai ko sarkar tumut kamdai ka Nongkynti la ni ka sarkar jong BJP ni jong PDF tadi ka sarkar jong ka coalition government. It's a coalition government comprises of all the political partners under the umbrella of the MDA government. The nrai hakabaya dehi pan Andre hakabaya day pat ka ngatrai impat sutu bahaya ka rupo iya ka statement ka bangakran. Andre hakabaya day pat la upat ba baro ya tipsai. Ba hakabaya day pat ya ka government la di imut ya ka jing thau ka sarkar ka Nongkynti la ka property hapo Delhi pan. Kare ka juga property jong ka BJP because ka mandate jong ipat ba jong ka India ki la absolute majority ya ka BJP lai spalai adi galalung absolute majority ban thal to sarkar kata deka mandiat bagi lai tu muka deka Nongkynti jong ka BJP te what is the harm don you ba Hamlet ba inting in panic ban like iladi na kita ki terms and conditions ki guidelines jong ka central government ladi ban suthu hiru dei ban suthu ba ka central government lani ki bank institution kino ru habaki ai da pishim for example habapi apply ya ka permit for tourists ladi for local taxi kidon ki terms and condition ang tu bagi ai bopi diban fulfill da pishim ya ki no license bade ya license khao le ki no license dukan kidon ki terms and condition te diban sutu sha ya kata te ha bade ya ki scheme la kare juga state government ru kidon ki terms and condition ka ba ha bagi ai ki no ki work order ni tai pi diban fulfill ki ya ki guideline jongka guideline. Te kumta habari jong state government, kumta habari jong central government ru te kajing kran jong atu si kalong ba kumba fitip ba ka parti BJP jong ni hapo jalam jong Narendra Modi ka Pynphai ka manifesto jong parti kala indicate clearly ba ka parti jong ka corruption free ban eradicate ka corruption. Te nga kajing kran jong atu si ya ka stan nga klam kran ni ru nga kran ya ka nongrim ya ka principal jong ka BJP party under the prime ministership and leadership of Narendra Modi kalong kadi belong a good government kalong ka corruption free government tengah kran ya kata tengah bat ru ngila ju ya kran na ka por asa BJP what's wrong with Hamlet? Why he's angry? Why he's so panic? My party, the BJP, have got every right to give myself as a responsible elected leader, MLA of the BJP. I have got every right to meet the central leader or the minister or the officer in Delhi to raise any issue concerning the interests of the people of my constituency and the people of my state. What's the harm? So, based on the ideology, based on the principle of the party, nga sikran nakapor sa party ban iba kinono ki scheme clearly kada ka bisaba kinono ki scheme sanctioned by traditional government kalong ba nyai jingmud ba ngigum ka party ngiton ka hak ba ngin request sa center we have got a right to request the central government ba have people like kinono ki scheme pili ban intimate yang iru Lani shwa pin sanction ni no scheme. Pin intimate yang ika state because the state BGP exists. We have got the Meghalaya state BGP. Taknang irung ini mengidup tip kerang ba kan kum kajing kuat kan kum guideline lani kijiki manifesto juga parti kajugi kaba any scheme sanctioned by central government should be properly implemented for the welfare and interest of the general public. That is my stand. It should not be misutilized. Kita mentreikam bahaya gini scheme. Then what is the harm? Balik long tension haba ngin monitor. We will monitor any scheme sanctioned by the central government to our state. What is the harm if we monitor? The guidelines RTI got that. We have got every right to file RTI. We have got every right to question the center also. We have got every right. What is the harm? What is the tension for Hamlet? Why? What is there behind the screen? Why is scared? When I'm taking up this issue with the central government, that is my party. The BGP is the party which I belong. So I've got every right to suggest anything in Delhi. So I request Hamlet any scheme which we are going to, to sanction from the center. I request to all the honorable minister to kindly implement it properly for the interest and welfare of the public. Kata-kata that is my stand. But Pynphai yang Jong juga Hamlet Meghalaya is not the property of the BGP. Yes, it's not the property of the BGP, and it is not the property of the PDF. In terms of forming the government, is the property of the people of Meghalaya, and the government is being formed not only by PDF, but a coalition partner. Itu ID pengakuan Pynphai Hamlet. The one thing, don't be panic Hamlet. Pentrai hok yang nunuk scheme financial government. Pentrai kam hok yaki develop kamtam. He is holding the urban affairs department, which I'm very much interested. Being a MLA from the urban, I want to see that all the scheme, if it is sanctioned to the urban constituency, it should be properly implemented. I will help him in monitoring also. That we will see to check that the scheme should be implemented. The quality of work should be good, and it should generate employment. First and foremost, I would like to request also that any scheme, any tender or supply of tender should encourage the local contractor or supplier. We should not encourage the contractor or the supplier from outside state. That too I will not compromise. I will follow up. Sebut kasyong haki nga should suggest any scheme should have sanction pentip lem ya kasih biji. Konsol begini proposal bengi yo ana poka state jongpi. Tikilan pentip presiden jong parti jongi ba mila banwan begi ayu bagi dan gini. Lanikin pa bambidon banong. Anything ba pinang pa cucu ne ban itai di tinggi itu every right telera kamu kasyong ba apa Delhi ke. Ndai daga bengi suggest that is not that is not illegal. Daga bengi ni request the chopo central leaders, central minister juga begini konsol. So what? Nagaliang jungi ngilai akan ru mencabat ru ngini ai bot dia menekan bagi dan gino no scheme. Di proposal naga state government show and sanction takabut nomor bangiru kita naga government teh. Takabut kin tip lang yang state BGP kabut ladot bang apa ya kayu ben ngini apa lang. What is the harm? That is not illegal.